Pics.by.Michael.
Hey everybody, it's Michael Colomb with Pics.by.Michael, and I wanted to do this fun unboxing video. So I recently did a photo shoot with my friend Tyler Gallant. We probably did about seven hours of photos. I mean, we did a long photo shoot, and I'll link the video that we did here in the comments. You can go check that out. But when the photos got released and we started reaching out to magazines, one of the magazines that I reached to was Marika magazine. But since then, we also got published in Fashion Magazine, New York City. We've been on a few online ones. We have a couple more that are coming out. But I ordered a copy of the actual magazine, Marika, and I wanted to unbox it because I just got it delivered. And even though there's an online version of it, which is available, having a hard copy is still kind of nice. So, and it's such a beautiful day, so I decided to sit outside today. But let's see if we can unbox it here. I like it because they always come in a nice box, so they are protected. And I want to say this one's from overseas. I got to look it up, but I don't know specifically. But I remember it coming from overseas. Ooh, here goes! I'm so excited. Also, this isn't the most flattering angle, so I apologize. Anyways, here goes. Here goes. There it is. That's my photo. That's our cover photo right there. Wow. I always love holding these because it's so tangible, right? But that's Tyler. And I love this pirate necklace. I'm gonna link this guy's Instagram in the comments as well, because he's great. And some of the stuff that he does. But look, it says right here, all swag, no hype, Michael Colomb. So you see it? I may have to do focus on this. All right, well, trust me, it says it. And I'll link, description, but so it's not glossy. It's more of I would say it's like a matte finish. Feels very tangible. It's nice to hold it. And of course, the one time I decided to do a video outside, there's going to be sirens. So yeah, there's the cover. Let's see if I can't flip it through pages, and yeah, here we go. So we're about halfway through. There's these two pages. The title right there, all swag, no hype. Creative director Michael Colomb. Matt's management, that's my manager. At Pics.by.Michael, that's my Instagram handle. Yeah, model Tyler at Ford RBA. Oh God, these photos look so good. There's something. Here's the same photo, but without all of the color cover hype. And then I love this one on the side of. This is from Dust of Gods, this jacket, and it looks so good on Tyler. And we shot these in Simi Valley against this. It was a tunnel with graffiti. Well, there's also an airplane. Definitely a busy day. Some more photos here. I love this one. I just love the sort of like perspective. How he's like only halfway in camera. You could also visit. I'll put the link to my portfolio so you can see these. But yeah, that's the last page. So we have the front cover, which looks amazing. And then yeah, we also have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 photos. So the cover page and 6 photos. Yeah, that's an awesome spread. So here's the new issue, the August issue of Marika Men, available now. Shot by yours truly with model Tyler Gallant. This is amazing. I always, this is like my 6th cover, and I still get excited every time I see them. I don't know who this is. It's a great photo, but yeah, Marika magazine, Michael Colomb, and Tyler Gallant. Have a great day. Thank you.